Poor Charlie. It's hot and his old mower gets harder to push by the minute. If he only had a power mower like Harry's, well, why not? Charlie is about to join the millions of Americans who every year turn to rotary power mowers to make the job of maintaining a lawn a little easier. Unfortunately, thousands of people every year turn the job of mowing a lawn into a very hazardous task. Now the job will be a pleasure. That is, if Charlie follows the simple rules of mower safety. That operator's manual contains useful information and hints on the right way to use that mower. Uh-oh, Charlie, that's not a good start. Good for you, Charlie. Keep your hands and feet away from the blade area when starting. Charlie, stop. You're about to run into trouble. That hanger can make your mower a lethal weapon. Inspect your lawn before you mow, and remove any small objects which you might run over. And mowing near other people can be dangerous, so this would be a good time to move Mother. Hey, Charlie, don't leave that mower running unattended. Shut it off whenever you leave it, even when it is only for a few moments. Uh-oh, watch yourself on that slope, Charlie. Don't mow up and down, mow back and forth. It's too easy to slip and get your foot caught in the blade when you mow up and down. Hey, Charlie. Charlie. Charlie, watch where you're going. Pay attention to your mowing. You might run into trouble. Better not, Charlie, tempting as it may be. Letting children or anyone inexperienced operate your mower is a bad practice. Hold it. One of the most common mower accidents is caused by a person reaching to clear a clogged mower while it's running. Stop your mower and disconnect the spark plug before cleaning or making adjustments of any type, and never pick up a mower while it's running. It doesn't pay to hurry when using a power mower. Well, just that little patch left. Charlie, pulling that mower toward you is just asking for trouble. If you slipped and caught your foot under the mower, well, here, let me show you. Go ahead, try it. Suppose your foot had been inside that shoe. Let me show you something else. Remember that clump of grass in the discharge chute? Go ahead, try to clear it with that stick. If it can do that to a stick, think what it could do to your fingers. Now take a look at what can happen when you run your mower over rocks or other debris. Better have some leg protection. Just a moment. There, now try it. Really shot it full of holes, Charlie, didn't it? You see, there are good reasons for obeying the rules of mower safety. The mowing is done, but your job is not. In order to be a safe, efficient machine, your mower needs regular maintenance, a point covered in the operator's manual you threw away. Hi there, Charlie. At it again, I see. I hope this time you and your mower can do the job as friends, not enemies. Oh, Charlie, your lawn looks pretty nice, too.